Hi, I'm Ian. In this video, I'll show you what's inside the Smart Pro Share It package. Here's the router. It is manufactured by Huawei, and the router's model is B933, which can be found at the back of your device. Next is the SIM card. You can see here the mobile number of your Share It. So what I'll do now is to show you how to insert the SIM to your router. So below the router is the SIM slot. So I'll put this SIM right here. There. So you have to hear the clicking sound to ensure that you have successfully inserted the SIM to your router. Next is the router stand. Okay. So I'll put this router on top of this stand like this. So I can put this device beside my computer. I can also hook this on the wall, as you can see these two holes. What I'll have next is the power adapter. This is a USB type port. So I'll put it right here. And on the other side, of course, to the power outlet. It also includes manuals, of course, to guide the subscriber on how to set up their Share It. And last is the LAN cable. This is optional if the subscriber wants to use a wired connection. Okay? So that's it for a Smart Pro Share It package, and I'd like to thank you for watching.